Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po sa nag-iisang Gob ng ating pamilya, Gob Josie Ablog. Happy birthday, Auntie, and more blessings, good health, and thank you sa mga pagkakataon na kailangan ng pamilya namin kayo, especially nang nandiyan ng kuya ko. Thank you, we miss you, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday po. Sana po lagi kayong nag-iingat at malusog. Si Justin nga po pala, tsaka si Pinky ay bumabati sa inyo ng happy birthday. Muli, happy birthday, Auntie Gob.
Happy birthday, Auntie Josie. Sana po ingatan niyo yung sarili niyo nung marami pang birthday ang dumating sa inyo.
Happy birthday, Ate Josie. We miss you.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Jerol alias Tatang Claveria. Anak po ni Anacleto Claveria Jr. Yun. Anyway, gusto ko lang pong i-greet yung aking batang tita ng happy birthday, Tita Baby. Wish you all the best and success and good health po. Ingat po kayo lagi. Thank you po sa lahat nung nagpupunta kami dyan, lalo nung si Mamay buhay pa. Gusto ko mang makapunta dyan, pero syempre po alam naman po natin may trabaho po tayo. Anyway, happy birthday po, Tita Baby, 70. Parang hindi ko halata.
Ate Baby, belated happy birthday or advance happy birthday. Umabot ka na ng 70. Pero nakakainggit ka. Biruin mo, 70 years old ka na, baby ka pa rin. Happy birthday, Ate Be!
Hello po! Kami po yung family nila sa Dagupan City, Pangasinan, representing Anacleto Zabalak Claveria Jr. June. Happy birthday po, Ninang Baby and Uncle Arthur.
Happy birthday, Daddy Tor, Auntie Be. God bless po.
Happy birthday to Kuya Arthur and Ate Be.
We love you po. Miss you po.
See you soon po. Punta po kami dyan.
Yeah. See you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po sa aking pinakamaganda at pinakamabait na tita, Mami Tosi. Stay kind-hearted, generous, and beautiful. And again, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day po. We love you.
Maligayang kaarawan mo, Utol. Sana sa araw na ito ay maligaya ka at salamat ka sa ating Panginoon at na nakarating ka sa edad na 70 taong gulang na. Sana maligaya ka at sana iwasan mo ang masyadong mainit ang ulo, sapagkat ang mainit ang ulo madaling tumanda. Maligayang kaarawan mo, Tol. Sana lumahod pa ang iyong kaarawan at sana abutin mo pa ang 100 taon katulad ni Mama. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday mga tol, ate, kuya.
maghanda na kayo. Nandyan na kami mamaya. Happy birthday ulit at sana maabot pa natin ng mas maraming birthday. Ihanda nyo na yung mga pagkaharapan natin, ha? Okay, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, Lola. Salamat po sa lahat ng pagmamahal ninyo, pag-aalaga niyo sa amin. Mahal na mahal po kita. Ang hiling ko lang po sa iyo, ang mabuting kalusugan at masasaya pang taon kasama namin. Miss na po kita, Lola. Enjoy your day po.
Hi Lola, happy birthday po. I hope you are always in good health and surrounded by happiness because I know you deserve all good things, love, care, and blessings in the world. Sending you lots of love po. Take care always. And soon po, bisita po ulit ako dyan sa inyo.
Go!
Well, I just heard it's your birthday. Tremendous news, absolutely fantastic. Let me tell you, nobody celebrates birthdays better than you. People are talking about it, they really are. You've done an incredible job making it this far, believe me. I know a lot of people, very smart people, and they all agree this is going to be the best birthday yet. So sit back, enjoy the cake, and remember, you're still winning big league. Happy birthday, make it legendary.